Our home whitening kits are specifically designed to be easy to use, but we understand that for some first-time teeth whiteners, it can sometimes be a little tricky. Many customers will come to us after trying an over-the-counter whitening kit and not seeing any results. There are a number of reasons that you might not see the results that you are expecting, but if properly used, our custom teeth whitening trays and gel will definitely give you that dazzling smile that you are looking for. So here are a few reasons on why your teeth are not getting more white. Let's first start with the quality of gel. Not all whitening gel is equal. You want to make sure that you are using a quality gel that is purchased from the USA and has an MSDS sheet. This shows a list of ingredients and lets you know that it comes from a reputable source. Our gels are of the highest quality, so with our kits, you can be rest assured that you are getting only the best. Another reason that your teeth may not be becoming more white is the storage conditions. A whitening gel is very sensitive to heat and direct sunlight. Prolonged exposure may render the gel completely ineffective. Before you received your whitening gel, it may have been exposed to extreme heat while being shipped. Make sure that you are buying from a respectable seller who knows how the gel got to them from the manufacturer. Still wondering why your teeth aren't getting more white? Well, let's look at your teeth shade. All teeth will whiten, but teeth will have a natural color that they will max out at. Teeth with yellowing will be more receptive to whitening. Brown teeth will improve, but will likely not reach a full white. Gray or purple teeth may not be receptive to whitening at all. When you see some celebrities with extremely white teeth, they are most likely wearing veneers on top of their natural teeth. Now let's take a look at the lifespan of some teeth whitening treatments. Some whitening gels only have a shelf life of 6 months. The whitening gel that you received might have been in a warehouse or in a storage months before you received the gel. Sporting Smiles has a whitening gel that has a 2-year shelf life and is purchased every month directly from the manufacturer to guarantee our customers their gel is as fresh as possible and will not expire on them if they are using it regularly. And finally, your teeth may not be whitening because of the usage. To maximize the effectiveness of whitening gel, you want to use a custom-made whitening tray. Custom-fitted trays will allow for maximum coverage with the least amount of gel wastage. If you follow these instructions and use our custom trays and home whitening kit, you should begin to see results in no time. Once you get your smile up to the shade that you want, you can stop whitening. Touch-ups every now and then will be enough. If you have any questions on how to whiten your teeth at all, or if you're interested in trying our custom teeth whitening trays, all you have to do is click the link below.